Hi, it's Geeta, and this is Practical Civics. There are a number of different legal systems in effect throughout the modern world. Civil law leans heavily on written codes. Common law prioritizes judicial decisions and precedents along with legislation. There are also legal systems that are religion-based or custom-based, and most legal systems actually incorporate a mix of all of these things. Civil law reigns supreme in Europe, in Latin America, Asia, parts of Africa, but common law, which is a legacy of the British Empire, is the dominant system in the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and yes, the United States. In common law, judicial decisions gain legal strength through the principle of stare decisis, which means let the decision lie. Essentially, judges are expected to follow the rulings of previous judges in similar cases, known as following precedent. If a judge feels that a decision should be considered different, then they'll distinguish that case from earlier cases based on a specific set of facts and issue a new ruling. And then future cases with those same distinguishing facts will be expected to follow this new established precedent. There are some advantages to a common law system. It's flexible and adaptable, and the law can evolve over time to reflect changing societal norms or changes in technology. Following precedents helps ensure consistency in legal rulings, and it allows individuals and businesses to rely on past decisions by the court in their own decision-making. And since common law relies on development through experience, over time, legal principles are refined and improved through practical application. On the con side, the sheer volume of case law can make it really difficult to research and make sure all relevant precedents are found, and the strong human element here means that judges can interpret past decisions differently. They may bring their own biases and perspectives to their rulings, and this can lead to unequal application of the law. Common law can be slow to change since it relies on the accumulation of judicial opinions over time. It can also be very complex for the average person, a lay person, to understand because published opinions are often lengthy and full of legalese, which makes it hard for individual people to know the true scope of their rights or when they have been harmed in a way that there is legal recourse for. Common law is subject to all the vagaries of human behavior. There's something people term the hungry judge effect, that judges are more lenient in decisions made after lunch versus decisions made before lunch. It's important to note that the U.S. legal system is a hybrid. It incorporates common law with statutory law, which is law written by our legislators around specific issues. Judges then interpret and apply these statutory laws within the framework of the common law system.